this video, I'll show you how you can create a connection between Zendesk and Jira Cloud using the AI assistant with Exalate. To create a new connection, you want to go and head out to the Exalate application, go to Connections and click on Initiate Connection. You need to provide a destination URL, so you can just go to Zendesk, copy and paste that base URL and put it in here. Then you want to click on the script mode with AI Assist. Click on Next. Give it a local short name, so I'm just going to do Jira Cloud to Zendesk, and then here we'll change the name to AI Demo. Press Next, and then select your Jira project. Initiate. This will generate a key for you, so you want to copy this key and go to Zendesk. Also go to the connections in here and click on Accept Invitation. Press Next, and you're good to go. So in Jira, I want to adjust a few things. So click on Done, and then click on Edit Connection. You want to go to Triggers, and we're going to set up a trigger to automate your process. So what I want you to do is create a JQL trigger or a query. This can be anything. For now, I'm just going to keep it. Project is demo. Create trigger. Put the trigger in here. Click on Activate. Add. And now every ticket that's created within the demo project will synchronize over automatically to Zendesk. So here I can already do that. So ticket to Zendesk. World. And out of the box, Exalate already can synchronize when the connection is created, the summary, description, attachments, and comments. So with the trigger, it should go over automatically. As you can see, it's waiting for remote, and it will create a new ticket on the Zendesk side. There we go. So one-on-one. I'll open this ticket, and here it is. So you can see the status is new. The summary, we have the description, and we can leave a comment saying received. So how to implement now in the script mode using the AI assistant. So in the script, in the connection, we have the outgoing and incoming script. The outgoing script is what we're going to send to Jira, and the incoming script is what we get from Jira in Zendesk. So the same here for Jira. If I want to set the status and I want to map it, because in my ticket I have a different status in my Jira than I have on Zendesk. So let's work with open, in progress, and done. And in Zendesk we have new, open, pending, and solved. Let's use those. So I'm gonna ask the AI assist, can you map open to open, progress to pending, and done to solved, because we want to map from Jira to Zendesk. When you have that mapping, please set the status. So we just give the prompt into the AI assist, and the AI assist will generate the code for you. This can take a few seconds till a few minutes, depending how large your prompt is. And when this is done, it will show you an example, and then you can accept it or you can decline it. When that is done, when you accept it, so you can see the changes are made. So if you scroll down, you can see we have our status mapping. That looks good. Setting the status right here. Insert changes. If we scroll down, there we go. Double check. So open to open, in progress to pending, done to solved. Perfect. So publish that. Now, if I change my status to in progress in Jira, Exalate will automatically pick this up and sync it over. And now with the AI assist, you can just give natural language, asking for something that you want to accomplish, and the AI assist will generate the script for you. So if I go back to my ticket, now you can see my status is perfectly set in pending, and also my comment came over in Jira. Let's say I have a custom field. Let's say I have a color custom field, which is select list, and I want to sync that over to Zendesk. What I can do is I can ask the AI assist, can you please send over the custom field called color. We'll ask that, and then AI assistant will again process your input, and then I'll again give an example, and then you can accept it or decline it. So we have like the color, demo custom field, and other custom fields. When that is on, there we go. So replica custom fields, that looks good. Insert changes. And now here, also in my incoming scripts, let's say I have a custom field called demo. So I'm gonna ask, can you have, I have a custom field called demo. Can you map the value from the remote side? Custom field called color in here. Something like that. And then here we have our color. And here we're gonna have our custom field set up for our Zendesk ticket. Give it a few seconds. There we go. Issue a custom field is called demo.value. Perfect. So insert changes. And then we can sync it over. So let's do red. Because we added the custom field in here. Oh, oops, I forgot to publish. It's on me. Let's update that one more time. Let's do purple. Now we saved it and it's being picked up to the other side. So give it a few seconds. And we're gonna have a little bug in here because we did not say, okay, it's a select list. So yeah, I'll refresh my page here. You can see nothing happened. And it's synchronized. So to check this, we can go to the entity sync status. We can provide our ticket number, which is 101. Oops, I'll duplicate my tab right here. And then within the entity sync status, we can actually see what the payload was from the remote side. So I go to the entity sync status, enter ticket number in here, search, show remote replica. And then here we should have custom fields, perfect, color, and in color we have value, and then value is purple. So I want to do value dot value, and that should work. Custom fields dot demo, and make sure perfect, publish. And now if I update this to blue, there we go. Actually, we'll sync it over and go back to the Zendesk side. The sync takes around 20-ish seconds to sync over, and there we go. Now we have blue in there. So just give your prompt within the AI assistant, and it will provide the right scripts for you, so you don't have to code everything out yourself. Thank you for watching.